You join me here at a very cold Alyn Park in Mold, and straight over to the action.
One of you! Hey! At the back, at the back! David! Don't fall! Go! That's it! No fall!
Yes, close!
Talk for me.
Away!
On the edge. Away! Get out! Time. Get us out! Come on! Fucking team, man! Away! Hey! Get in here! Behind you, Tom. Tommy, you lost now, Dazzy! Away! Tommy, you lost now! Fight! That's a back pass then! Come here! Mark fucking Eddie's in the way there. Go, Daddy! Yeah, go!
Last penalty he faced, he saved it. Oh, shocker over the bar.
What's going on up there? Hey! Come on, boys, hey, come on! Gotta stay switched on! Solid, boys, hey, come on, solid. Hey, boys, gotta watch that, yes? All he's got. It's a big lump there. And it goes! Yes! Well done, Davey. Hey, sorry, there. Davey.
Let's work this on here!
Come on, Gav, on your shoulders.
Quality, right down!
Referee, what's this? Go on. Bastard!
Well,
Go. Get it!
right!
And it goes! Go! Left, hey!
What's the leg, mate?
Nothing anyone could do about that. 1-0 to Bala. What a goal. One 0 to Bala. Mark Harris. 25, 30 yarder, I don't know. Bitter cold. about 10 minutes to go. Bala have hit the post twice. They missed a penalty, so you could possibly say that Bala deserve the 3 points. It's not over yet. The cold is eating the batteries. Mold haven't posed much up front, but some decent action. I've enjoyed it. Final score: Mold Alex 0, Bala Town 2. Unfortunately, I missed the killer second goal, which came basically on the stroke of full time. A cracking strike from Gary Penlington. Sorry, Gary. Sorry, Gazla. I missed your goal. The batteries have died, haven't they? Sod's law. But we did get Mark Harris's goal, so that'll keep you warm tonight, won't it? Anyway, we managed to catch up with manager Colin Caton, and he had this to say about the goal.
Yeah, it's a tremendous goal. He's a right-footed player in a left-back position, and it opened up for him, and he struck a great goal. Gave us a lift early, but it's the only way we looked like scoring with something special, and that was. Thanks.